Hello guys, welcome to Creative Art Academy. So for today, we'll be looking at how to create text animation. Practically on video editing, how to create text animation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight to business. The app we'll be using for this particular tutorial is Textro. So if you don't have it, just go to your Play Store. It's available on Play Store and Apple Store. So just go to your Play Store and search Textro. Search Textro. This is what the app looks like. So make sure you install it. So mine is already installed. That is why you are saying uninstall and update. So let's get straight to business. This is mine here. Is mine. So we'll be looking at how to create text animation using this app. So let's start. First of all, open the app. Once you've opened the app, this is the interface. I was working on something previously, that's why you're seeing a text here. So on a normal, you will not see anything written here. So first you have to do this to type whatever text animation you want to create. So to type, you can see the watermark there that's written tap to write text. So let me tap, and I want to talk on maybe a brand like, okay, let me assume a brand like Creative Kitchen. So let's start with welcome to Creative Kitchen. This is my first start. So once you finish typing this, look at this play sign here, click on it, click on play, and you see two options: create text video and create intro video. Now click on create text video instead of create intro video. This first one here, create text video, that's what you're going to click on. So okay, let me go back. Once you click on the create text video, it will take you to this page where you see different aspect ratios for your video. You can see this one, you can see the one for Instagram, Instagram Shorts or Instagram Reels, Facebook, and all of them, both YouTube. So choose the one that is suitable for the kind of video you are creating. So the one that I'm using, okay, let's work with YouTube. I'm working with YouTube. So now I've chosen my aspect ratio. Next thing is to click on this good here. You can see this good here, so just click on it. There you are. So our first start is to remove this watermark. I guess you can see this watermark here. So what you have to do first of all is to make sure we remove that watermark, because it's not be professional as a video editor. You finish editing a video and there will be watermark, maybe either the watermark of the app you used or the software you used. So to remove this watermark, just observe the watermark. You can see it's changing. It will change to text and it will change to tap to remove. So wait until it changes to tap to remove before clicking on it. So let's wait. So I'll click on it now, and now you can see about subscription to premium. So click on no thanks. You can decide to subscribe, you're free, but for now let's see how we can bypass this. So click on no thanks and click on watch now. So you can either watch an ad to remove this watermark. So let me click on watch now.
On Okash, after 3 months, you need to pay back 100,400 naira. If you borrow 300,000 naira on Okash, after 6 months, you need.
So you can see that my ad has finished running and the watermark has disappeared. You cannot find any watermark here again. So that's to show you how professional video editors work. Next thing is what did I actually type here? Let's play. Welcome to Creative Kitchen. For me, you can actually decide to, okay, let me show you different things. Now we can select maybe a background color for can either decide to work with color, gradient, or texture, whichever one you want. But working with any of these. And there's also style. Style is how you want it. So whichever one now. Choose. So first of all, let me work with my background. I can decide not to use all this color. Now I want to use I decided to use a photo. Yes, a photo of the brand, maybe the brand logo, since say welcome to Creative Kitchen. Yeah, the brand logo as the background, image for this animation. So I already have the photo. What I just have to do is to come here. You can see image here, so I'll click on it. So let's click on the image. Let me check my gallery, and this is the image I want to use. Yeah, this is what I want to use. So I'll just try to see, just readjust, so I can readjust this. I think this is okay. I think we can manage this to just adjust it to fit, I think this is okay. So once you are done, just click on this good here. I'm just to select the background. I can actually, first of all, just notice you can actually adjust this. Okay, let me play that stuff again. See how it's correct. You can adjust how intense or how the background, right to adjust. Let's click for perfect color. Now we are no longer working with gradients because we already have a background, or you can still work with a gradient, but whichever one, or you can work with texture. The right again. I need smooth color. Start. I want to how do you want to start here? So Just scroll through to check for whichever style you prefer. So just make sure you pick something good. This color is not given. Let's look for. I don't like the way this logo is showing at the end. Once you are done choosing your whole stuff, your color, your style, forget about the music and either decide to mute the music or just download it or save it with the music, whichever way. The one thing about this app is that you can't just edit a full video with this app. You cannot just edit a full text animation with this app. You have to do it clip by clip. So we assume this is our first clip. So assuming this is our first clip, you just have to save. Look at this good here, click on it and it will save your video. So you have to save, and if it brings up add,
have you ever wanted to
add, because it's not a necessary add. Next thing now we have to do is work on. Let's go to home. Let's work on the second clip. Now we have welcome to Creative Kitchen. Next thing, what other thing can we write? What about text animation can we write? Let's say where every dish is a masterpiece. Where every dish is a masterpiece. You can just decide to add something like this, or you can just leave it like this. So whichever way, that you are not using voiceover for this kind of animation. Sometimes use voiceover. You can use voiceover for text animation normally, but for this particular one we are not using voiceover. So once you type this, like the normal way, choose your aspect ratio and click on good. So
have you ever wanted to now you can. I'm about to show you.
So you can see that our watermark is no longer there. Whatever you are doing, ensure you are patient to watch the full ad. Yes, ensure you are patient to watch the full ad so that you can be able to achieve the removal of your watermark. So now we have this. Next thing, I also have a background image I want to use for this particular clip. So I'll click on image. So I'll just click on my image and go to my gallery and select a perfect. Okay, I want to use this. So I'll just resize it. So I think this is okay, and I'll click on my good here. So you can see how the let's read it. There isn't. It should correspond with the first one so that your whole clip will not be a contrast of colors where the first color is contrasting the second color and the second clip color is contrasting the third clip color. So you should just make sure that the entire clip is just there is color unison or there is harmony and the colors you pick. So I think I'm okay with second font is arranged, so let's just work with this second font, and we are done for this clip. So we save. Sometimes they will try to bring up ads. Just ensure you remove the ad. That is when you want to save, not on the normal. To create our third clip. So depends on how many clip you want to create. So our third clip, let's say so I will advise you before backing as such, just make sure you have a script. You have a script where you maybe you're looking at and be typing your test animation and what you need for your test. Ensure you have a script, a written script, so that you'll not be guessing and maybe you might make mistake. If you cannot get the script made by yourself, you can ask AI to help you generate a script, whichever way. So next we have is fresh flavors. Fresh flavors. Fresh flavors, comma. I think so. Should we put comma or should just leave it like this? Let's leave it like this. Maintain the aspect ratio you're using throughout. And here you remove your watermark.
So give card on.
So as you can see, our watermark is no longer there. Next thing we have to do now is to remember what I said. Image, to put an image. So if you don't also have an image here, you can just use this color and your work will still be perfect. But why I'm doing this, so that my mind will look like more of kind of professional, it will look kind of professional. So fresh flavors, I think I have an image for that, so let's work with this. So just try to adjust it. So remember what I said the first time, there should be color alignment or color harmony in your clips. So if you can see, this clip is kind of give me a kind of grainy vibe, but let's see if you can change that. Okay, let's watch it again. So let's see. Okay, this color is actually the same color in our first clip and in our second clip, so I think we are okay. So we'll go to save the work. Let's go back. Let's work on our fourth clip. Let's type something like unique recipes or unique recipes, or let's say unique recipes. So we are good with this. Click on play. Same aspect ratio throughout. Don't use different remove our ad and my watermark. Sorry.
If you borrow 100,
I think I also have an image for this. Unique recipes or recipes. So let's work with this. Just increase it. So this is a blend of recipes. So this is perfect. I don't feel like let's do it. So So this is perfect. Next we just save. We save. Don't worry, we are almost getting to the last clip. Ads will always pop up, so just ensure you remove them. And so let's work on this clip before working on the last clip. Let's type only at creative kitchen. Only at creative. Yeah, sometimes you can decide to use this art, or you can just freestyle a little and need something like this. Only at, just be creative whatever you're doing. So let's do something like this. Only as creative kitchen. The reason I'm using this creative kitchen because this is a creative arts academy, so I just decided to use creative kitchen. So only as creative kitchen. So create test video, and we are using same aspect ratio. Use our watermark. So you can see our ad has our watermark has disappeared. Next thing is only at creative kitchen. Should I put an image here? Okay, let's just put the logo again. Let's put the logo. So let's work with the logo for the second time. So just adjust it. This is we are saving immediately. So for the our last clip, we have order now. We have something like order now. Always end your video with a call to action. Always end your video with a call to action in whatever you're doing. Order now at, or let's say order now. You can put something like this at, then next line at www dot, so that it can actually enter creative at creativekitchen.com. I think this is okay. Always end the video with a call to action. This is an example of a call to action, which is order now. We have others like contact us. You can use contact us, or you can use something like visit our page. Just a call to action for the viewer. End the video to call to action. So this, click on create test video, and same aspect ratio. Remove our watermark. So our ad is no longer there. Next is image. When you see order now, you can decide to actually leave this one like this, but me, I want it to look more professional. When we talk about order, order and delivery, they correspond. So I have an image that talks more of that illustrates ordering and delivering. So this, I think this describes the entire stuff very well. So just ensure you adjust this color blending with and your image very well. This is actually beginners test animation or beginners video editing. If you keep following my channel, I will show you how to take your video editing to a professional level. Like some of the videos you see I do upload on my channel, some of the video edits I have done, you will learn how to create those ones. Just stay tuned to my YouTube channel. So let's save this. So that is actually our last clip. We are no longer creating any clip. We are done with all the clips, and if you check your gallery, you'll be able to find all these clips. You'll be able to find all these clips, and you can also find them here. Look at this stuff here. So click on it, you'll find all your creation, all your clips. So I will not be showing you guys the next step after you've gotten all your clips. I will not show you the next step. Watch the next video. Watch out for the next video I'm going to drop. The next video I'll be showing you guys what to do with all these clips after I've generated clips for each of the test animation. I'll be showing you guys what to do with all these clips and how to edit this clip to a full animated video, or a full should I say promo video, or a full advert video. So just watch out for the next video I'll be dropping, and ensure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Ensure you also like and comment. Please subscribe. And for those that would like to that would want me to coach them on video editing, proper coaching, so you can have direct contact to me, just message me on. So this is my number on WhatsApp. So just message me with this number this on the screen. Message me with this number on WhatsApp, so you can have direct access to me, and I'll coach you privately. I'll coach you very well on video editing. Stay tuned for the next video where you know what to do with all these clips.